In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design pagination in Figma using components and variants. To get started, open Figma and create a simple button using a rectangle and a page number. Once you're happy with the design, select the button and create a component from it. Next, add a variant to create different states for the button, such as a default state and an active state. Customize the active variant by changing its color so users can easily identify the current page. After that, switch to the prototype tab and add interactions between the variants. You can create a hover effect using Smart Animate to make the pagination feel more interactive. Once your component is ready, open the Assets panel and drag multiple copies onto your canvas. Arrange them in a row and update the page numbers as needed to create your pagination layout. And that's it! You've successfully designed a reusable pagination component in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.